Well, it's arrived. This is the most expensive piece of photographic equipment that I have ever purchased for a single piece. It is my new lens. I'm getting ready for Columbia. Let's take a look at what's inside. A battery. The receipt, which we do not want to look at. It's a big lens. So, the only other gray lens that I've had was a Canon 300 millimeter 2.8, which I bought, gosh, in the 90s. And I bought it used and ended up donating it to the economy in Uganda. Not voluntarily, I'll tell you. But this is the only other gray lens I've owned. It's the Olympus 150-400 with a 1.25 lever action teleconverter right there. Wow. I'm looking forward to using this thing. It's going to be a lot of fun.